In this guide, we'll walk you through 5 effective methods on how to transfer photos from iPhone to OnePlus, step by step. Part 1. How to transfer photos from iPhone to OnePlus via Coolmuster Mobile Transfer. Coolmuster Mobile Transfer supports direct data transfer between iOS and Android devices, including photos, videos, contacts, messages, music, and more. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster Mobile Transfer on your computer, available for both Windows and macOS. Connect both your iPhone and your OnePlus device to the computer using USB cables. Step 2. Launch the program, and the software will detect both devices automatically. Make sure iPhone is the source and OnePlus is the destination. Click Flip if needed. Step 3. Check the box next to Photos, then click Start Copy to begin the transfer process. Part 2. How to move photos from iPhone to OnePlus via OnePlus Clone Phone. OnePlus Clone Phone enables you to move data like photos, videos, and contacts wirelessly from your iPhone to your new OnePlus phone. Step 1. Download and install the OnePlus Clone Phone app on both your iPhone and your OnePlus device. Step 2. Log into iCloud on your iOS device and enable sync options like contacts and photos as needed. Step 3. On your OnePlus phone, open the Clone Phone app. Select This is the new device, and choose iPhone as the type of the old phone. Step 4. Next, open Clone Phone on the iOS device. Select This is the old device, and choose the data you wish to transfer. Step 5. Use the iOS device to scan the QR code displayed on the OnePlus phone to connect the two devices. Finally, select Start Migration to begin transferring the data. Part 3. How to copy photos from iPhone to OnePlus with File Explorer. If you prefer a manual method, you can use Windows File Explorer to copy photos from your iPhone to a PC first, and then move them to your OnePlus phone. Step 1. Connect your iPhone to your computer via a USB cable. Step 2. Tap Trust this computer on your iPhone and enter your passcode. Step 3. Open this PC on your computer, locate Apple iPhone, and open Internal Storage DSIM. Step 4. Copy the photos you want to transfer and paste them into a folder on your computer. Step 5. Disconnect your iPhone, then connect your OnePlus phone to the computer. Step 6. Open the OnePlus storage folder and paste the copied photos into it. Part 4. How to sync photos from iPhone to OnePlus using Google Photos. If you prefer a cloud-based method, Google Photos offers a convenient way to sync your photos between your iPhone and OnePlus automatically. Step 1. Install Google Photos on your iPhone from the App Store. Step 2. Sign in with your Google account and enable backup and sync. Step 3. Wait for your iPhone photos to finish uploading to your Google account. Step 4. On your OnePlus phone, install and open Google Photos, then sign in with the same Google account. Step 5. All your iPhone photos will appear automatically. You can download them to your OnePlus if desired. Part 5. How to send photos from iPhone to OnePlus via SHAREit. For those who only need to transfer a few photos quickly, SHAREit is a fast and convenient wireless transfer app that works across iOS and Android devices. Step 1. Download and install the SHAREit app on both your iPhone and your OnePlus devices. Step 2. Open SHAREit on your iPhone. Tap Send, and select the photos you wish to transfer. Step 3. Open SHAREit on your OnePlus phone and tap Receive. Step 4. Ensure both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 5. When your OnePlus phone appears on your iPhone's screen, tap it to start the transfer.